Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to record yourself while doing or while presenting a presentation on PowerPoint. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin. Let's dive in. So here, for example, I got PowerPoint. I'm going to open the app. So far I don't have any presentation, but for example I would like to do this one. These are some templates that we can use. So we'll click here and click on create. So here I got this presentation, for example, and I got a lot of tabs that I can use here. But the thing is, I would like to record myself on the top right or top left corner, right? So I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use a software that called OBS. I'm gonna go to Google, my browser, then go to Google and search for OBS. And open this one. It's OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. I'm gonna click here. And then I'm going to choose my device, either Windows, Mac, or Linux. In my case, I would go with Windows, so I'm going to click here to download it. But there's no need to re-download it because I already got it here. I'm using the software to record this video. So once downloading and installing the app, I'm going to open the app here to start record. When I click on this option, it should be start record, but here is stop because I'm recording already. But I would like to appear on the camera here on the screen. So here, I'm going to go with right click, and then choose add, and here I'd go with video capture device, click on it and click on OK, and here I'm going to click on OK once again, and I can take this to make it smaller. And as you can see, I'm here up to the left side, so if I click on this here and I go to my presentation, while recording I'll be in the top left of the camera. So here, as you can see, I'm in the top left of the camera. While recording, I can record myself. And then I'm gonna take this down, the software, and doing the presentation and presenting myself in the presentation. So that was all today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.